Fernando. How's it going?
It's going pretty good, kinda. I'm stuck on HBS project, and I'm really stuck, and I'm probably screwed for the final.
I thought you started that last week, though. We all did.
I did, but then I got stuck on the hinge joints and the respiratory system and had to connect both of them, and I'm pretty screwed, and I'm gonna need some help.
Well, at least you have a start.
I do have a start, yes.
Do you want me to help?
That would be amazing if you could help.
Okay, let's go.
All right, sure.
Oh, do you want to read it together?
Oh yeah, that'd be great. All right, so I was on the hinge joints and the ball and socket. I know that the hinge is slightly rounded and of one of the bones, and it fits into the sliding hollow end of another, like an elbow and a knee. And then the ball and socket have a round ball-like end and one bone fitting into another, a cup-like end to another, like the shoulder and hip joints.
Okay.
Yeah. And then if we can go to page 55, types of action.
Okay, types of actions. Okay. So we have rotation, which is twisting motion, moving in a single plane. Oh, so like moving your head side to side.
Yeah.
And then depression, downward motion, like opening your mouth. Okay.
Yeah,
Well, that makes sense.
Yeah,
that makes
that
sense.
makes sense.
And then, plantar flexion. So that's moving your foot downward. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, it
This
makes sense. Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Now that we're done talking about joints, let's move on to the respiratory system.
Okay.
So when we breathe in, our diaphragm, it contracts, so it pulls down,
Yeah, yeah.
which then expands our lungs. And depending on if we're a mouth breather or a nose breather,
yeah.
the air goes in through there. It passes through our pharynx, which is this one right here.
Yeah.
It passes by our larynx, which is also contains our voice box.
Yeah.
Which produces sound, and it's also another passageway for air to the lungs. And then it goes down your trachea,
Yeah.
and then
It reaches the the bronchi, and then after the bronchi goes into the lungs, and then the lungs inhale it or like expand it.
Yes, that's the basics.
Thank you for reviewing with me. This was a lot of help, and now I'm more prepared for my final.
Yeah, thanks for reviewing with me.